Hi, my name is Nathan Green, proud owner of Yavapai Landscaping. We just finished another project in a gated community here, full of townhomes. There was absolutely no access to the backyard. They didn't even have a side gate. That challenge didn't stop us. Let's go check it out. With no outside access to the backyard, there was only one way to take care of this project, and that was directly through the house. Not even the smallest wheelbarrows could fit through all these doorways. All of the material for this project was brought in with 5-gallon buckets. Before, this backyard was completely covered in weeds, some up to 4 foot tall that our customer was allergic to, and they couldn't even go into their backyard. Now, it's a beautiful patio space for our customers to enjoy. Any project, big or small, can lead to a huge transformation. If you're ready to transform your backyard, call or text anytime, 928-910-4147.